Hey there farmers, my name is Ivan, the word is chicken best friend. Today I have come with how to treat cough and flu in poultry using local remedies. But before, let me first thank my subscribers because you mean a lot to me. And if this is your first time to watch this channel, please subscribe, hit on the notification bell such that you don't miss out any video that I upload about organic farming. In poultry farming, we are attacked by cough and flu, and most farmers don't know how to go about it or how to use local remedies. But I have brought you the remedies which we are going to use to treat flu and cough in poultry. First of all, we are going to need the following requirements. We are going to use garlic, neem plus honey, and also we are going to use ginger. We are going to add in cloves because cloves have a good antibacterial agent which helps to defeat the cough and flu in poultry. After getting all those required materials, crush the garlic and make them fine into fine particles, and also crush the ginger such that it is also fine in particles, and also crush the cloves such that they become fine. Mix them together in a small cup such that they are mixed well. You are also going to get your lemon, cut it into 2 pieces, squeeze it such that the juice from it is mixed with the garlic, neem, cloves. Alright, mix all the contents together and add in 3 spoons of honey such that they are mixed with the contents you made. After all those procedures you have done, also as you've seen that I also tested the medicine and it is healthy and good for the poultry. After making it, give to your birds using a syringe because some birds will resist taking it because of the odor from it due to the garlic that is in the medicine.